Australia receives AH-64E Apache helicopters via USC Air-17 Globemaster. Army's first new attack helicopters were delivered to RAAF Base Townsville. The two AH-64E Apaches arrived on September 28 aboard a United States Air Force Air-17 Globemaster. Defense Minister Richard Marles said the Apache provided a critical change in attack aviation capability for the Australian Army, building on the ADF's ability to operate from Australia's northern bases. The Apache is the most advanced attack helicopter operating today, and the Albanese government is pleased to welcome the first two helicopters to Townsville, Mr. Marles said. Our investment in North Queensland to support the Apache fleet will not only provide significant training and employment opportunities through a train local to stay local approach, but will make Townsville Australia's largest defence helicopter industry hub. Boeing Defence Australia will provide support to the new fleet of Apaches under a 7-year contract, delivering maintenance, engineering, training, and logistics services. The establishment of the Townsville Aviation Training Academy will deliver technical courses to train new industry maintenance personnel for the Apache and CH-47F Chinook fleets. Infrastructure upgrades and facilities works at RAAF Base Townsville will support the introduction of the Apache fleet, along with the relocation of 1 Aviation Regiment and 16 Aviation Brigade headquarters. Defense Industry Minister Pat Conroy said the new helicopters were critical to modernizing the ADF and transforming the Army into a force optimized for littoral maneuver and long-range strike.